Pioneers, look at your screen right now. Claimable balance transactions are flooding the Pi blockchain again, and they are stacking up every few seconds. This is not a drill. This is not old footage. This is happening on-chain right now, and it means one thing. Migration has officially resumed. Like this video, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications before we go further, because what I break down next could directly affect your wallet. Welcome back to the Zaki Crypto Update channel. Today, we are diving straight into the surge that has the entire Pi community talking. The Pi blockchain is buzzing right now. Create claimable balance operations are executing every few seconds, and that pattern is a clear signal that the migration engine is back online. New accounts are being created and funded in real time. The network is moving again, and it is moving fast. Here is why this matters to you. This exact pattern mirrors previous migration waves. Large batches of create claimable balance. Transactions have historically preceded user claims. So if you have been sitting there, refreshing your app, wondering when your turn is coming, this surge is worth paying close attention to. The Pi core team is actively processing migrations, and this recent spike suggests a new batch is being distributed to pioneers across the network. If you are still waiting, this could be the wave you have been hoping for. I want you to drop a comment below right now and tell me, are you still waiting for your migration? Or have you already received yours? I read every single comment, so let me know. Now let's talk about something the community keeps bringing up. The project team has never deceived anyone, and they have never promised that Pi Network will definitely succeed. We all joined this voluntarily. Dr. Nicholas handed the community a heavy responsibility, and the real question every pioneer is asking is simple. Can we carry it? Can we actually reach the finish line together? Because here is the truth. Only by reaching that finish line do we get to enjoy the reward on the other side. We joined with pure intent, and there was no deceit in how this began. Success or failure, we knew the risk from the start, and that has always been our own path to walk. Together, we shoulder this load all the way to shore, and when the reward finally arrives, we raise our cups together. Let's shift gears now, because there is major community news coming out of Turkey. The Turkey Pi Network Ambassador is calling for unity among pioneers across the entire PiCoin ecosystem. According to Turkey GCV Ambassador Ali Yannick, pioneers, miners, merchants, and ecosystem participants need to unite as the community moves forward together. The Pi Network community continues to focus on collaboration and ecosystem development. Following this message from Ambassador Yannick, who is calling on every corner of the pioneer base, miners, merchants, and everyday participants to strengthen unity around one shared vision. His message emphasizes just how important cooperation is right now, at what many are calling a critical stage of Pi Network's development. According to the statement, Turkey has become one of the most active segments of the global Pi Network community, and that is thanks to the dedication, patience, and participation of thousands of pioneers on the ground there. This call for unity reflects a much bigger conversation happening across the entire Pi ecosystem right now. How does a massive global community spread across nearly every country on Earth actually work together to support long-term growth, real adoption, and practical utility for PiCoin? Let's talk about why community strength actually matters in blockchain growth. A blockchain ecosystem is never built through technology alone. Yes, software, infrastructure, and network design are essential, but community participation is often the deciding factor in adoption and long-term development. Look at almost every successful technology platform in history. They grew because users, developers, businesses, and communities built together, not separately. For decentralized networks, this principle matters even more. Users are not just customers sitting on the sidelines. They become active participants who test systems, spread awareness, support new applications, and drive broader adoption forward. That is exactly the idea Ambassador Yannick is highlighting, encouraging every group inside the Pi Network ecosystem to move forward with one shared purpose. Now let's zoom in on Turkey's role in this community. Turkey has become one of the countries where cryptocurrency discussions and blockchain interest have grown the fastest. The local Pi Network community there is developed through the participation of miners, merchants, and supporters who follow every single ecosystem update closely. Community representatives like Ambassador Yannick play a critical role in connecting users, sharing verified information, and encouraging collaboration on the ground. This message reflects a direct effort to strengthen communication between different groups inside the ecosystem. By encouraging cooperation among platform leaders, businesses, and individual miners, the goal here is building a stronger foundation for everything that comes next. But Unity has to move beyond individual participation. Since the earliest stages of Pi Network, millions of users have joined through mobile mining and community engagement. But building a real digital economy takes more than individual participation. It takes collaboration between every single player in the ecosystem. Miners contribute network participation. Developers build the applications. Merchants create real-world usage opportunities. Businesses explore blockchain integrations. Communities educate and support new users coming in. Every group is carrying a different piece of this, and Unity is what combines those pieces into something stronger. Let's talk merchants for a second, because this is huge. One of the biggest factors for any cryptocurrency adoption is merchant acceptance. A digital currency becomes truly practical the moment users can exchange it for actual goods and services. Merchants are the bridge between blockchain technology and everyday economic activity. For Pi Network, getting more businesses to explore, Pi payments could become one of the most important levers for increasing real utility. A strong merchant ecosystem gives pioneers an actual reason to use PiCoin beyond just holding it in a wallet. Now, here is something I want every pioneer watching this to internalize. Faith and long-term vision matter in technology development. Ambassador Yannick's message also highlights patience and commitment. Technology ecosystems rarely develop overnight. Think about it. The internet, mobile applications, digital payment systems, all of them went through years of uncertainty before becoming essential parts of daily life. Blockchain networks are following that same exact pattern, building the infrastructure, driving adoption, and creating useful applications. Takes time and continuous effort. Let's connect this to the bigger picture. Digital finance is going through a massive transformation right now. Cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3 technologies are changing how people think about ownership, payments, and how we interact online. But technology alone does not create adoption. People have to understand it, trust it, and actually use it. That is exactly why community remains so important. A strong community helps introduce new users, supports growing businesses, and contributes fresh ideas for improving the ecosystem. For Pi Network, this massive global pioneer community is genuinely one of its most valuable resources. Unity is the foundation for ecosystem growth, and this call reflects a challenge faced by nearly every large technology community. Different opinions and expectations naturally exist among millions of participants. That is completely normal, but disagreements become real obstacles the moment they prevent collaboration. A unified community can channel that energy into productive activity, supporting developers, encouraging legitimate applications, promoting responsible education, helping businesses understand blockchain, and creating real-world use cases. The stronger the cooperation between all these participants, the greater the potential for actual ecosystem growth. Now let's talk about where Pi Network sits inside the larger Web3 landscape. The broader Web3 movement is aiming to build more decentralized, user-focused digital environments. Blockchain networks everywhere are exploring new models for payments, digital identity, applications, and online ownership. Pi Network's entire approach has focused heavily on accessibility and community participation from day one. As this ecosystem keeps developing, the real challenge becomes demonstrating how this enormous user base can support practical applications and genuine economic activity. Future progress depends on technology development, adoption, and continued participation from pioneers just like you. Of course, there are real challenges ahead for the Pi ecosystem, and I am not going to sugarcoat that for you. Building a global digital economy requires addressing several things head-on, creating genuinely useful applications, increasing business adoption across more industries, maintaining network security at scale, supporting scalability as the user base grows, building real user confidence, and meeting regulatory requirements across different countries. A strong vision has to be backed by practical execution. Community enthusiasm gives you momentum, but long-term success comes down to delivering real value. And that brings us to the bigger truth here. The future of Pi Network depends on collaboration. This message from the Turkey GCV ambassador represents a theme running through the entire Pi Network community right now. No single group can build a global digital economy alone. Miners, developers, merchants, businesses, and users all contribute. Different pieces needed for real growth. The combined effort of every single one of these participants is what will determine how effectively Pi Network develops in the years ahead. So to wrap this up, the call from Ambassador Ali Yannick is encouraging pioneers, miners, merchants, and ecosystem participants everywhere to focus on unity and shared goals. As the PiCoin ecosystem keeps evolving, collaboration may end up being one of the single most important factors influencing its future growth. A successful blockchain network needs more than technology. It needs trust, participation, innovation, and a community that is genuinely willing to contribute. For Pi Network, the road toward broader adoption depends entirely on how effectively millions of participants work together to build practical utility and strengthen this ecosystem. The future of digital finance is being shaped by countless contributors right now, and community cooperation might just be one of the most important foundations for the next stage of blockchain development. This video does not constitute financial advice or a recommendation and should not be treated as such. I strongly encourage you to seek independent financial guidance from a qualified, regulated professional before making any investment or financial decisions. That is everything for today's update. If this video gave you value, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment, letting me know where you stand on your migration. I genuinely appreciate every single one of you for watching all the way to the end. If you want to stay ahead of every Pi Network development, go check out my other videos on this channel. I break down updates just like this one all the time. This has been Zaki Crypto Update, and I will see you in the next one.